Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bethel Ehikoya. I am the host Real Estate in Perspective with A Kings and also your coach when it comes to real estate investing and also the executive director A Kings Real Estate and Construction Company. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of stopping by any of my videos, I want to say a very big thank you. And if you are a returning subscriber, you have watched previous videos of Real Estate in Perspective, thank you as well for stopping by. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now. Turn on notification button so that you get prompted whenever I post any video at all. And also do not forget to like and share this video to as many persons as possible. I am building a community of investors who are confident to invest in Nigeria. Investors who knows how to invest the best and the surest possible way. That is what Real Estate in Perspective is all about. So do ensure to share this video to as many persons as possible. Today's topic, I'm going to be talking about inflation, real estate and inflation. Now, is real estate an inflation-proof asset? There have been so many conceptions or misconceptions about real estate, about inflation. A lot of people are asking, is this the best time to invest in the Nigerian real estate industry or market? Is this the best time for me to put in money? The value of the dollar is increasing. The naira is losing its value. Is this the best time to invest in Nigerian real estate market? Now, let's quickly delve into the topic. If you haven't subscribed, like I said earlier, please do so. So do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to turn on notification button. Do not forget to like and share this video to as many persons as possible. Over the past 2 to 3 years, inflation has been a keyword in the global market as it continues to rise by many factors, such as the COVID-19 pandemic impact, and we have all seen the terrible effects of the breakout on businesses and several industries. A lot of businesses have shut down, a lot of industries have downsized, cut down on their employment. All of this has affected the economy one way or the other. This has been accompanied by a sharp rise in prices and wages. This has also brought real estate to the forefront, as it is frequently argued that property is a good hedge against inflation. During these times, owning a home is no longer thought of as just a place to lay your head anymore for a lot of people. Many people are beginning to see how real estate increases economic development, increases wealth status, and more importantly, it is a necessity to live a satisfying life. There is no doubt that real estate is a great investment, and over time it has proven to be one of the most stable and reliable ways to grow your wealth. But is real estate immune to inflation? This is the topic of discussion for today. A lot of people that I've met that should have invested into real estate are concerned. If I put in my dollar, what is going to be the face of the dollar against the naira? Is this going to give me huge return on my investment? In this video, we'll be exploring the relationship between real estate and inflation. Now, what is inflation? Inflation can be defined as an average increase in the prices of goods and services. Inflation measures how much more expensive a set of goods and services has become over a certain period of time. Usually, it is measured yearly. From the real estate perspective, the greater the demand, the more the property is worth. So this brings us to the question, how does inflation affect real estate? Now, when inflation is high, property prices, of course, tend to rise as well. This is because demand of housing is usually high when there is economic growth, and prices go up when there isn't enough home to meet the demand. Rental rates also tend to increase during periods of inflation because landlords are looking to protect themselves from the potentials for higher prices down the road. Inflation can have a number of different effects on real estate. One of the most direct is on real estate prices. When inflation is high, prices for both commercial and residential real estate tend to increase. This is because as the cost of goods and services goes up, so does the cost of lands and buildings, right? Because building construction materials increase in price because of inflation. Therefore, the prices of houses also would increase. Rental price will increase. Everything about real estate increases in this period of inflation. So does the cost of lands and building. So in addition to prices, inflation can also affect real estate buying behavior. Now, when real estate is low, buyers are more likely to purchase real estate since it's a relatively safe investment. However, inflation is high, buyers may be more hesitant to invest. Despite these effects, real estate is still considered a relatively safe investment during periods of inflation because it is a physical asset that cannot be devalued by inflationary pressure. So additionally, real estate tends to appreciate over time, which can help offset the effects of inflation in the long run. Let's look at the main reasons why real estate is a great investment during periods of marketing instability and inflation. Number one, because it is a physical asset. Real estate is a physical asset. That means it is not as susceptible to the unpredictability that may occur in the stock market or any other form of investment. And number two, it tends to appreciate in value. Number three, it can provide steady multiple streams of income. If you choose to rent out your property, you can generate a steady stream of income that can help you offset the effects of inflation or help you cushion the effects of inflation. Investing in real estate during the period of inflation helps you to cushion the effects when you generate income through your rental properties. Number four, it can be a hedge against inflation. Since real estate tends to appreciate in value during periods of inflation, it can be a good way to protect your wealth from the effects of rising prices. So, is real estate inflation proof? So far, from the explanations I have given to you, is real estate inflation proof? If you think so, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, so back to the question. I asked for a comment down below. If you think real estate is an inflation proof asset, kindly leave a comment, either yes or no. So let's quickly look at how you can invest in real estate during periods of inflation. If you are thinking of investing in real estate, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, remember that real estate investing could be a short-term or a long-term investment. This means you will need to be prepared for periods of inflation. You can also consider investing in real estate securities such as real estate investment trusts, REITs, which are designed to provide investors with exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of owning and managing property. This is also fractional ownership, which can help investors get started in real estate with a minimum budget. Fractional ownership is when an investor owns a certain percentage of a property and shares usage rights. This allows multiple people to share the ownership of a real estate asset. This is called co-ownership. Make sure you carry out proper research and due diligence and understand how inflation might affect your investment. This is very, very important. Be prepared and know what to expect so that you can prevent yourself from the most common pitfalls. In conclusion, real estate is the ideal investment since it has the potentials for capital growth and keeps its value even when inflation is high. Although it is only natural for there to be inflation, real estate investors don't need to be concerned about it. The good news and the wonderful news about investing in real estate during inflation is that real estate surpasses other investment asset class. during periods of inflation. So you can see from this video that it is a wise decision and a wise choice to invest during inflation in the real estate market. Okay, so do not consider if your investment is going to dwindle in price. It is a good asset. It is an edge against inflation, and it also promises constant, steady cash flow income when you have rental properties or other forms of real estate that produces or generates income for you, either on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis. So investing in real estate during inflation is an inflation-proof asset, and it is a decision that you should make today. Remember, the more you wait to buy properties, the more the prices increases. So this is the best time to buy real estate. They always say that the best time to buy real estate is now, not tomorrow. Okay, buy now, hold and sell over time, and then you are in constant cash flow. If you find this video very interesting and you are looking forward to owning any real estate property at all, I'd like you to click on the description link below and walk you through the process on how to invest in real estate investing without getting your fingers burnt. At King's Real Estate and Construction Company, we offer investment opportunities for everyone. Be it a new investor, be it a first-time investor, be it an already investor in the industry, we have lots of products, we have lots of services that would help you earn huge return on your investment, or that they can also guarantee you steady cash flow when you invest with us. Kindly click on the link in the description below if you are looking out for any trusted and credible real estate company to invest in. Always we say at Kings, invest with us today and smile tomorrow. I'll see you in my next video.